Hello everyone, my name is Ekaterina Lamaeva and I'm a student at UPROCK Design School. Today I'm going to show you my redesign of the ROCNATION corporate website. Let's look at the original website. We can see that it is quite simple and does not reflect the boldness of the company. A quiet color scheme makes it appear more conservative than it actually is for a creative service like that. The website lacks animation and a modern touch in composition and colors. The information usually goes in a blind flow. There are no accents to gain users' attention. So, my goal of the redesign was to make the website bold and cool, to meet modern standards, to add some rhythm to the website's content so it has accents where we need the most of the user's attention. The process of working on the concept started with analytics. I analyzed the original site and 3 ROCNATION competitors, Universal Studio, Sony Music and Warner Music Group. The analysis was made in terms of marketing positioning, website structure, user experience, visual approach and technical details. That was the basis for the prototype. Then the visual concept was added. As for colors, first, I wanted to use combination of black and orange, but it seemed a little bit dull for me, so I made an experiment of using combination of navy and orange, which looks very fresh and exquisite to my mind. As for grid, I used a mix of grids. Mostly all the content goes around the central line, but also there are 2, 3, 4 and 6 columns grid. If we look at the artist page, there is a slider with the new music videos. Bullets are made like musical wave. The list of artists is made using negative space to add some air. All the photos are of the same size to show that every artist matters. Let's look at the artist's page now. There is a bright accent on a chosen artist with orange as a background, a picture in front of the text which adds dimension, easily accessible social media links. Throughout the website, I combined square and circular forms as a visual comparison to vinyls and CDs, like here on the news page, also here and here. As for about page, I made its cover looking playful with little pics of random labels artists and right away concentrated users' attention to the services of the company using the color accent and a drop-down list of several categories. There are some numbers to show the success of the company, and then 2 cards with 2 main activities in ROCNATION, music and sports. News page starts with 4 main news, with one of them active on hover, with the related picture and a big typography for the date of the news to gain attention. There is also a navigation for the type of news and a mix of them. Sign up form in the middle of the page to remind users of such possibility and some more news divided in categories. Main page. I wanted a cover to be eye-catching and show the company's successful artists. Then you'll instantly see the About section with the main categories of the site, latest news, Discover section, philanthropy, latest releases, and talent spotlight. So, in the end, the concept turned out to satisfy modern requirements. Information is easier for the perception. Structure is changed to add accents in the right places. Now website looks up to date, accentuates the strongest parts of the company, makes user experience more convenient and adds wow effect. Thank you.